Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel. In this channel you can see so many educational videos based on the subject maths, and along with the educational videos you can see so many puzzles, and along with the puzzles you have very fast maths calculation tips. By that you can become the topper of your class. Simple. If you want to become, just follow my channel Be Inspired. That is the only one thing I want to say. Please share, like, comment my channel. Hi students, welcome to Max class. In the previous class we just learned about how to find factors of the different numbers and what are the important facts about factors and multiples. So what are the different facts we learned is in factors is nothing but just a recap I'll give. Within a few minutes we'll start the class. So what is the first thing we learn is 1 is going to be a factor of every number, and in among all the factors, whatever the number you are finding, that number should be the greatest factor. And if you are going to add all the factors of your number, if you will get the double, twice of the number, then we'll call that number as perfect number. For example, you'll get 56. For 28, you will get if you add all the factors of 28, you will get 56. So 28 is a perfect number, like that. Okay. So these are the important things we learn about factors. And what is the important thing we learn about multiples is every number is a multiple of itself, and all the numbers. One more important thing in factors we learned is factors are finite, means we can count these many factors. Factors are able to be counted. We can count those many factors, but whereas multiples we are unable to count because they are endless, continuously going on like that only, multiples. So when you are going to find factors and multiples, this is a major important thing we have to remember. And one more important thing is in multiples, every number is a multiple of itself, and you can say that the multiple of a number is equal or greater than the number, and multiples are not to be endless, means you are unable to count the number of multiples. Okay, so now today we will start the class. That's what we discussed in the previous class. What is the properties of factors and what are the properties of multiples. That's what we discussed. So now coming to today's class, what we have discussed is, what we are going to discuss is 3.1 exercise. Write all the factors of the following numbers. So we all know that 1 is a factor of every number, so that is the reason first we will write 1. And one more thing, what is the important factor, what is the important property we learned for factors is every number is an exact divisor of a particular number. Means, for example, 2 is there. In 2 table, when you will get 24, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, right? Means 12 and 2 are exact divisors of 24. Means if you are going to divide 24 with the 2, you will get remainder 0. If you will divide 24 with 12, you will get remainder 0. So that is the reason 2 and 12 are called exact divisors of 24. That's what we are going to see. And 3 table, 3 8s are 24. 4 table, 4 6s are 24. And 5 table you will not get 24, so 6 we already got. That means the factors are completed. Now we will write from up to down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now from down to up, 6, 8, 12, 24. So I already said that 24 of a factor, the highest factor is the same number itself, and 1 is going to be the factor of every number. This is the way we are going to write down. And moving on to the next, for 15. So the same thing, 1 15s are 15. In 2 table you will not get, 3 5s are 15. 4 table you will not get, as well as 5 table we already got. So the factors are completed. Are you getting it, children? Yes? Very good. Now 1 table, 121s are 21. You will not get into 21 in 2 table. So next is 3 table. So we completed the factors because 4, 5, 6 you will not get, and 7 is already there. So that is the reason I just ended up the factors. Now in the same way for 27. 127s are 27. 2 table you will not get. 3 9s are 27. See, very simple logic for 2 table. If the last number is an even number, then I can say it will come in 2 table. So 7 is an odd number. So that is the reason in 2 table you will not get. That is the simple logic we are saying. And 4 table also you will not get because 4 sevens are 28. 5 table will not come, 6 table will not come, 7 also not get, 8 also not get, 9 is already there. So the factors are very less, 1, 3, 9 and 27. And for 12, so it is the smallest number. See here, 2 is the even number, so that is the reason you will get 2 table. 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12, and 3 after 4 is there, so that means the factors are ended over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. In the same way, we'll move on for 20. 1 20s are 20. So we all know that 0 is an even number, so that is the reason in 2 table you will get 20. 3 table you will not get 20. 4 table 4 5s are 20. Of course, after 4 we have 5, means the factors are completed. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now in the same way for 18. 1 18s are 18. And we all know that 8 is an even number, so in 2 table you will get 18. 2 9s are 18. 3 6 are 18. 4 table you will not get 18 because 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 5 table you will not get, and 6 already there, means the factors are completed. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. 23. 1 23s are 23. And 23 will not come in 2 table because 3 is a odd number. And 3 table also you will not get, 4 table you will not get, 5 also will not come. So for 23 the factors are only these two numbers because there is no other table we will get. Just go through it, you will get an idea about this. Now coming to 36. 1 36 are 36. As 6 is a even number, so it will come in 2 table. So we will just divide it and check, because we know table up to 2 times are 20. So after that, if I want to find out the factors, I should do division like this. 2 table 3 will not come, so smaller than is 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 6 will come down, 2 8s are 16. So we got remainder 0, means 2 8s are 2 18s are 36. The same way for 3 table also, because 3 10s are 30. 3 1s are 3, and 6 will come down, 3 2s are 6. So 3 12s are 36 because remainder is 0. And 4 table 4 9s are 36. 5 table you will not get, 6 table 6 6 are 36. When you got the same number or when you got the alternate numbers immediately, then we can say that the factors are completed. So here I got the same number, so that is the reason I am saying the factors of this number are completed. Now we will write from top to bottom all the factors. 1 2 3 4 6. So we already written 6, no need to write the 6 again. So now from down to up, 9 12 18 and 36. I said that perfect number, so we will check what is perfect number. Simple logic, just you have to add all the factors. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 18 plus 36. Now just add all the numbers. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 9 25, 25 plus 12 37, 37 plus 18 plus 36, 15, 3 plus 2 5 and plus 36, 1 8 91. But whereas 36 2s are 72, and the factors after you are adding you will get is 91. So 36 is not a perfect number. In that way you can check whether 36, whatever it is, for whatever the number you can check. See, simple, 23 plus 1 is 24. So we all know that, and it is not going to be twice of that. So just add for this 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 9, 12, 12 plus 9 21, 21 plus 18 is 39. But actually 18 2s are 36. And here 3, 7, 12, 22, 42. But actually we will get 40. 3, 6, 10, 16, 28. 12 2s are 24. 4, 13, 20, 40. No, 27 2s are not 40. 4, 11, 22, 42. See, you'll get 21 is a perfect number. Just add this 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 21. 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 21 is 42. Whereas 21 into 2 is 42. So, the number 21 is a perfect number. That is the meaning of this. Now you check even for this. 4, 5, 9, 15 plus 9 is 24. No. 3, 6, 10, 16, 24, 60. But whereas 24 twos are 48. So 24 also is not a perfect number. In this way you can check. So among the given questions we got 21 is a perfect number. I hope you all understand my class. Thank you, Corona Warriors. Thank you for your support. Be Inspired salutes you for this, for your support. Thank you. Thank you for watching.